We're out here again, another day. It is so hot. There's Maria. Woo! We're about to jump some waves because we're the only two brave enough ones that are, apparently the waves are like 4 footers or something. So I guess we'll see. Caroline did not want to come out. Wave jumping is not her thing. Oh yeah, it's definitely rowdy. Definitely some chop out there. It's gonna be fun. Definitely catching some air. Look at this, this is beautiful. You good with this? All right. All right, Maria did great. She was all about the waves. We're gonna anchor up here for a little bit, catch our breath, talk about how great Lake Michigan is, and we'll go have some more fun. Look at Maria, she's fearless. Getting the hang of it. Nice! Nice! All right, let's go in. Maria's gonna tell us how Taylor Swift is.
She's like Shakespeare.
She's like Shakespeare. Yeah.
Shakespeare.
Here we go.
If you put up some lyrics, I'll do it. Is it Shakespeare or is it Taylor Swift? You wouldn't know. Laugh all you want.
Because she writes in that.
She's a lyrical genius.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Not Shake It Off, not her hits. You gotta dive.
Willow.
Give me one line.
I gotta look it up.
No, like one line of her genius.
All right, there's literally apps.
Dochi is.
But why wouldn't you just remember?
Because I can't remember.
But you remember Shakespeare right now.
No, it's a
I
good
remember
point.
his name.
No. If I asked you to name or to recite one single Shakespeare line, you would be able to.
2 star-crossed lovers.
All right, listen. Who said it? Taylor Swift or Shakespeare? BuzzFeed article.
Unless they get the raw
Do you
footage.
miss the road who coaxed you into paradise and left you there?
What does that mean?
Yeah, see.
Taylor Swift.
It's above you. It's above your.
Oh, 100%.
Right?
No, I'm not gonna.
Yeah, got it right.
My tongue will tell the anger of my heart, or else my heart concealing it will break.
That sounds like Shakespeare.
My tongue will tell the anger of my heart, or else my heart concealing it will break.
Yeah, I'm gonna go Shakespeare on that one.
Shakespeare.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
From The Taming of the Shrew.
Shakespeare.
Past the curses and cries, beyond the terror and the nightfall.
Taylor Swift.
That's
Taylor Swift. We're 3 for 3 here. Like, I don't know how.
Oh my god, let me get a better one.
It's not
In
going
black ink, my love may still shine bright.
Taylor Swift.
I'm gonna go Swifty too.
I'm gonna go Shakespeare.
So what should I clip? It was Shakespeare.
Wow.
Ballin'.
Wow.
They don't call me Doc.
Dude, you're 1 for 4.
You're down the wrong road. That's
You know,
okay.
Yeah.
and also, yeah, I put blind trust in Jeremy. Maybe I shouldn't.
Now my
have.
eyes leak acid rain on the pillow where you used to lay your head.
Oh,
That's Taylor Swift.
that's Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift. It has to be.
It had pillow. You think they have pillows back in the?
Juliet, Romeo and Juliet. You don't think they slept on pillows?
I'd meet you where the spirit meets the bones in a faith-forgotten land.
That sounds like Shakespeare.
Sounds like Taylor Swift to me.
Which one is it? You asking me?
What
Yes,
she
you
said
Swift,
is definitely
yeah.
Taylor.
Well, I didn't give me a chance to
She
answer.
knows the song, the album.
Anyway, look.
This
Your
one came out
touch brought
October
forth in
14th.
a Your touch brought forth an incandescent glow, tarnished but so grand.
I think this is going on for too long.
All right, the old widow goes to the stone every day, but I don't. I just sit here and wait, grieving for the living.
Taylor Swift.
Shakespeare.
I think it's Shakespeare too. Taylor Swift.
Boom.
So this is just turn the tide. First of all, this is too easy. We know. Now it's, oh, you're not even
You
a
opened the
big.
candle.
We're like 5 for 7, dude.
Open the candle.
How can it be said I am alone when all the world is here to look on me?
Maria, how'd you like riding jet skis?
I love the jet skis, but I love Taylor Swift more.
Did you go to her Eras tour?
No, she's too good for Richmond.
DC?
She only plays the
You know who played Richmond? Her ex-boyfriend, John Mayer.
John Mayer. Yeah, she's got a few of those.
Cause a few.
Yeah.
That girl has a respectable list. Caroline insisted we bring them out here for a river cruise and to show them the eagle's nest. So we're out here, even though it's not that exciting. There's nothing happening. It's very slow. Yes, it's pretty, I guess. That's cute. Oh, how cute. Hey, babe, show me those pants.
Yep.
That tie.